Hi guys! So you may have noticed that I have changed my hair. I just felt like something different, so I was like, why not try like a natural sort of looking red, which is what I went for. I only got it done yesterday, so I'm still getting used to it, but I think I like it. Now that I've got makeup on, I'm like, wow, it looks good on me. Before, when my face was all like pale and pink, I was like, am I too pink to have like natural sort of like ginger hair? I do like it. I'm getting used to it, and it feels really soft. I got like a treatment put in as well, and that was really nice. I think I like it. I'm not sure. But anyway, I just felt like a change. Also, my fringe is not quite sitting correctly because the hairdresser like made it a little bit thicker. So some of the parts aren't used to sitting down here. So I'm just going to have to train them like I've done before. So it doesn't really matter. I'll just do it again. It's just like painful because it just doesn't want to do exactly what I want it to, which I'm like not 100% sure what I want it to, but I know I don't want it to do this. But anyway, I wanted to film a quick video today for you just to show you that I've changed my hair, but also just to go over some products that I got recently from CoLoUrPoP. I know, I said I was done. I said I didn't have any more, but then I bought more stuff. And I didn't buy a lot. So it's okay. It's just a little CoLoUrPoP shop, and it's mainly to try on these blushes that I bought that I have wanted since before Valentine's Day. Aren't they adorable? The little Love Heart blushes. As soon as they released these like the first time, which was in like January, I needed them in my life, and unfortunately I just never got them until they re-released them a month or two ago. I don't even know. They re-released them a little bit ago, and I purchased them all. But anyway, I wanted to take you through these and two other products that I got, and I did buy two more products that I will take you through at a later date in more detail. So this is what we're doing for now today. I know I still have other CoLoUrPoP stuff to go through with you guys. I'm sorry. But anyway, I still have tons of Buddha products as well that I've bought that aren't from CoLoUrPoP that I'm going through really slowly. But anyway, I need to stop buying things because like it's just like every time I buy things I'm like, oh, this is another video, and then I just have this backlog of things that I bought and like videos I need to make of things that I don't touch until I make videos. So I've got like things that sit in my room for like a month or two or three, and I just don't touch them because I'm like, I want my first time using them to be with you guys. But anyway, let's show you these swatches. So these are some of the CoLoUrPoP pressed powder blushes. They released them as like limited edition for Valentine's Day, and then they sold out like so quickly. They did 2 drops around Valentine's Day. They sold out like that. Like I have to wake up at like 4 or 5 a.m. to get these in Australia, like at the launch time. So like I think I did it both times, and both times I missed out, and I was just like, go back to sleep. But when they released them this time, I was just like, you know what? I'm going to get them. If I wake up and they're available, I'm going to buy them. And I woke up at like 8 or 9 o'clock and they're available. So I bought them. So they come in 3 shades: Kiss and Tell, My Type, and Love Me Not. I'm wearing 2 mixed together for you today. I just wanted to try them both on so you could see. I don't think I've blended them out super evenly on both sides, but anyway. So I'm wearing Kiss and Tell and Love Me Not because I felt like they were the 2 that matched the most together. And personally, I love them. I love the packaging. I'm not gonna lie, the whole reason that I got these things was for the packaging because they are absolutely adorable. I am honestly a big CoLoUrPoP fan, like, and I love their pressed powder blushes. I love like every blush of theirs that I've tried, but their pressed powder ones are the ones that I tend to reach for the most because I tend to reach for powder blushes the most because I'm always just like in a hurry whenever I do my makeup, and their pressed powder blushes are so freaking good, so pigmented. I feel like they last all day, and they have such a good color range of blushes, and like every time they release like a collection of makeup, they usually release blushes with it, and sometimes they release the pressed powder blushes and they always come in really cute packaging. But anyway, that is those blushes done, and if you were interested in them, I definitely recommend them if you like the colors. Like you can see my swatches and you can see if you like them. But anyway, that is the whole reason I ended up doing this little haul, because as soon as these were released again, I just wanted them so bad, and you can see why, because they're adorable. Okay, so the next product I'm wearing right now that I really wanted to try as well, I kind of just like was like, well, if I'm getting these, I'm gonna buy a few things to get free shipping. So I got the Fresh Kiss Lip Creme, which is one of their newer lip products. I got it in this shade, BB Spice, because I thought this was like the most nude shade, or like for my skin tone, but I'm not 100% sure if it is, but I do really like it. And it feels really nice and creamy. So far, I love the way that it feels. I love the way that it looks. I'll zoom you in so you can see it a little closer. It feels like a little bit creamy, not like super creamy or anything, but it doesn't feel drying at all so far. And I've been wearing it for quite a few minutes now. And I just love the payoff. It was really easy to apply as well. And I did get a little bit above my lip, and that was just so easy for me to just like wipe away. So far I am loving this. And finally, my last product for this haul, like mini haul shop, just trying out the blushes really, I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it yet, is the Watermelon Face Polish. I haven't used this yet, but I previously had the Strawberry Face Polish and I freaking loved it. It was a really nice face polish. Maybe not the best exfoliator that I've ever used. It's like a very gentle exfoliator, so not too aggressive. I'm not sure how this one will be. Oh, you can kind of see like grains, like the little black spots, like that will be like broken up versions of the watermelon seed, I think, because the exfoliating beads in the strawberry one were like the little strawberry seeds, which felt really like gentle on my skin. So I'm wondering if this will be like different, because obviously it's a different type of seed. It will feel different on my skin, which I didn't think of that before. But I'm super excited to try this because I honestly love the watermelon one so much. One of the reasons I loved it is because I kept accidentally getting it in my mouth and it tasted so freaking good. So I wonder if this one will taste as nice. I know you're not supposed to eat them, but it just tasted so freaking good. I do not recommend eating these products. I know they are not supposed to be eaten. They should actually probably put a warning on the box, do not consume. I think there's also a pineapple one now and a pumpkin one as well for like autumn in America. I'm probably slowly going to go through and try them all. Like every time I buy stuff from CoLoUrPoP, I'll probably end up buying a different one of these. But this watermelon face polish says it is for smooth and healthy skin. It's exfoliating and balancing. It comes with sugar known to gently exfoliate and polish to reveal fresh soft skin, as well as watermelon seed oil known to be rich in antioxidants, vitamin A and vitamin E to combat free radicals and balance the complexion. And it also comes with poppy seeds known to gently exfoliate and refresh dull skin, which is interesting. It says it is a fresh and fruity watermelon face polish for a revitalized and healthy glow. Superfine sugar and poppy seeds gently exfoliate, while antioxidant rich watermelon seed oil balances and restores dull and uneven complexions, leaves skin looking extra polished and fresh faced. I'm intrigued now because I don't know if I read the box of the strawberry one, because I'm like, I wonder what all the ingredients were that I'm eating. Anyway, I just like lick it off my lips when it gets on my lips and it's delicious. But obviously haven't tried this one yet, but I will let you know in the future how I go with it. But anyway guys, that is the final product that I bought, apart from the other two that I'm going to try out for you in a swatch video later on. So that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any of the products, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to like this video or subscribe to this channel, I would really appreciate that too. And hopefully I will see you soon. I'll zoom you in so you can... Whoop. But this one, so I think there's also a I don't know why I decided to wear a red jumper today as well, like showing off my new hair. I think it's just because like it's a new jumper and I really liked it. I bought it before I changed my hair color and I was like, I'm gonna wear it today. Just felt like wearing it. It's very comfortable and very warm.